A recent study found that only 20% of the men are receiving 80% of the likes from women on dating apps. Why? Because they look better than 80% of other men, and women care about physical attraction. So, after a ton of research, I have 5 surefire ways to boost your appearance to make you look like a male model, so you too can be part of the 20% of men women prefer. Starting with number 1, use baking soda and lemon for a better smile. No matter what, every male model has white teeth. This is important because white teeth makes people think that you are successful, intelligent, and clean, which in turn makes you a more attractive person. So here's the trick that male models use to keep their teeth white without having to go to the dentist. First, you will want to mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of baking soda until you have a thick paste. Then, I want you to put that paste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth in circular motion for 2 minutes, after which you will rinse out with water. The reason this works is because the lemon is citric. It acts as a natural bleach to remove stains from your teeth. Baking soda has been proved by multiple studies to balance the acids of your mouth and soften the plaque. This makes it easier to brush it off your teeth. However, you will only want to do this once every 3 months, as it can be quite abrasive and can damage your gums or enamel when done too frequently. During those 3 months, I want you to reduce and eliminate any sort of food that can produce stains or darken your teeth. This includes tart berries, grapes, curries, soda, wines, coffee. But being a model is not just about nice teeth, not at all. It's about having skin that looks almost photoshopped, which leads me to my next tip, which is preventing any sort of aging signs to your skin by just changing how you sleep. 2, change your sleep position for better skin. Sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy looking skin, but what if I told you the position that you're sleeping in has a massive impact on your skin's appearance? Most of you will be sleeping in one of 3 ways. Not knowing that 2 are actually damaging you in real time. The first position is on your stomach, which is actually the worst position, as this puts the most pressure on your skin, preventing the circulation of blood and oxygen and increasing the amount of fluid accumulation, which in turn increases the rate of aging, puffy eyes, and dark eye circles. The second position is sleeping on your side, which isn't ideal, as you will still have part of your face under pressure on the pillow. This can even lead to asymmetries in your face and skin. And finally, the third position is sleeping on your back, which alongside not putting pressure on your skin, also prevents your skin from being damaged from the abrasive surface of cheap pillows and blankets. You can also increase these benefits by slightly elevating your head so it is above your heart. This will decrease the accumulation of fluid, and once again, prevent things like puffy eyes in the morning. So to maintain the long-term and short-term health and the appearance of your skin, make sure you sleep on your back. But this won't get you the healthy glow you need. For that, you'll need tip 3. Strategically use supplements for a healthy glow. Supplements are one of the best ways to look like a male model. You can pinpoint and prioritize the vitamins and minerals needed to make your skin and your hair glow. So here are the 3 vitamins and minerals that I supplement to guarantee that I look my best. First, I supplement with 11 milligrams of zinc every single day. Zinc is essential for hair and skin cell growth, but more importantly, it functions as an enzyme for collagen, which is the building block of your hair, skin, and nails. Too much zinc, however, can increase the absorption of copper, leaving you in a deficit. So according to experts, you're going to want to balance that out with 1 milligram of copper to make sure that never happens. And while I've tested many products, the best one that I've personally found is Wellbell's Men's Formula. It has a total of 16.5 milligrams of zinc, 150% of my daily recommended intake, and 0.9 milligrams of copper, which is 100% of my daily recommended intake. The reason I ended up picking this brand is because everything is natural and organic, but also because it's created by reputable physicians. Now, the next thing I supplement is betaine HCl, specifically for my hair. As a man, hair can make and break how you look. Even if you rock a buzz cut, you don't want a receding hairline. So, I'm doing everything I can to make sure that my hair continues to grow healthy and evenly for as long as possible. Multiple studies have proven that betaine HCl helps with repairing scalp tissue and hair damage, as it increases the production of collagen. One study published in the National Institute of Health found that 90 days of collagen increase was directly correlated with the prevention and the breakdown of the skin. So you're going to want to supplement with anywhere between 600 and 2,400 milligrams of betaine HCl. When I realized just how important this was is really when I started taking my WellBells men's formula, and within just 3 months, I noticed that my hair had more growth, less shedding, and improved shine. And all I had to do was take 3 capsules once a day. That's it. And finally, the third thing I supplement is with biotin, also known as vitamin B7, one of the primary proteins that make up hair, skin, and nails. The key, however, isn't to overload yourself with biotin, but instead to make sure you're reaching your daily intake. More biotin has not been linked with helping skin, but not meeting the daily requirement amount has been linked to a reduction in skin quality and an increase in hair loss and wrinkles. So it's essential to take your daily recommended intake, which is roughly around 30 to 100 mcgs a day. And the good news, while you could purchase 3 different products from 3 different brands, the WellBell men's formula that I personally take includes everything I just mentioned, making my life easy. In fact, there are a few other things that I also supplement with, including MSM and saw palmetto. This is why they call it the men's formula. It has everything you need. So, for those that want to invest in themselves and start looking like a male model, make sure to use my discount code. There will be a link in the description where you can check out the exact vitamins that I'm taking. Plus, you're going to get a special discount so it can be affordable. 4. Wear a hat to protect keratin levels. Wearing a hat can help increase your style. However, it can also increase the appearance of your hair and help decrease hair loss entirely. Why? Because your hair is in the top of your head and is therefore constantly under fire from UV rays from the sun. And these sun rays damage keratin, a natural protein that makes up 90% of your hair. So, the next time you want to leave your house and the sun is out, make sure you wear a hat that covers all of your hair. Not only will it help protect the keratin in your hair, but it will also keep the moisture in your hair, which in turn will give it more thickness and volume in both the short term and the long term. 5. Swallow your tongue to remove your double chin. A strong jawline is a signal to women of superior genetic quality. Women are attracted to men with high testosterone, and on average, men with higher testosterone levels have much larger, defined jawlines. So here's a quick hack you can use when you're taking pictures, so you can show a strong jawline and look like a model when you're using dating apps. It's called the tongue trick. I want you to grab your tongue, stick it to the roof of your mouth. Then, I want you to pull backwards on your tongue, where you should feel a little tense or pressure on your neck area. Then, I want you to try and swallow your tongue, which in turn will contract the muscles in your neck and jawline. Now, I suggest you do this in front of the mirror and compare the difference. You will see an immediate difference in your jawline. But to look even better in pictures, I want you to slightly tilt your head down and to the side and squint your eyes. This is going to give you a more refined and mysterious look that will take you from the 80% of men that women ignore to the top 20% that they're looking for. But don't just take my word for it, because as you know, I always come with scientific fact. And one study from the University of Oxford found that tilting your head down makes you look more dominant and attractive, while another study from evolutionary psychology found tilting your head to the side makes you look more attractive. And there you have it, 5 surefire tips to make you look like a male model. And if you want to continue to level up financially and mentally, I suggest you watch our Great Filter series. It is 7 episodes of my most researched data to push men into the top 1%. But here's the catch, 99.9% of you will fail that challenge. See you guys next time.